Let's add a new 2D scene, add a static body 2D, give the static body a sprite, let's make it the texture, the icon, let's make it a bit more narrow and wide. This will be our platform. We need to give it a collision shape. And the collision shape should be a rectangle to match our texture. Spread it across the texture like so. Done. Now let's add a player character, which would be a character body 2D. Let's give it a sprite, which will also be the icon. We need to give the icon, the character body, a collision shape. Let's make the collision shape a capsule. Line it up with the body. Give the character body a script. Make the template character body 2D basic movement. Create, save the scene, run the scene. Use the arrow keys to move and spacebar to jump.